my angels, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So in this video, I will be sharing this easy last minute makeup tutorial for Eid. If you are interested, then keep on watching. So first I am using a moisturizer. This is by Mother's Purse and this is their plant powered ultra rich face cream. This is a great moisturizer. I don't know why people don't talk about it, and you can definitely check it out. Next is lip balm, and if you have watched my previous videos, you know this is Blue Heaven's lip balm, and this is one of my favorite lip balm. It keeps your lips moisturized for a very long time, so you can definitely check it out. My face is now well moisturized and prepared for makeup. So yeah, let's do that. So next I'm using a concealer. This is by Swiss Beauty and this is a great concealer. Now I'm applying my concealer on the high points of my face. I don't have that much dark spots in my face. If you have dark circles, you can apply a color corrector before concealer, or you can use a concealer which is one or two shades darker than your actual shade, and that will also help you to cover your dark circles. Now is the blending time. You can use a beauty blender or a brush. I'm using a beauty blender. Now blend, blend, blend until your concealer is properly blended. So my concealer is properly blended. Now the next step is foundation, and I am using Blue Heaven's foundation. This step is totally optional. You can use a foundation or not, or maybe a BB cream will also work. I am taking a little bit of this foundation on the back of my hand, and using a beauty blender I will blend it. Now repeating the same process as concealer, blend, blend, blend. Now my foundation is completely blended and my face is looking flawless. Next I am using Maybelline Super Fresh Compact Powder. So I am from the oily and combinational skin type. That's why I am using powder all over my face. But if you are from dry skin type, you can only set your T-zone area. Next I am using NY Base contour stick. I don't want a sharp contoured face today. So instead of applying the contour stick directly on my face, I am rubbing the contour stick on back of my hand, and using a fluffy brush I am applying that on my face. Next step is blush, and I am using this liquid lipstick from My Glam as my blush. I am taking a very little amount of it as it is very pigmented and applying it on my face, and then I will blend it with my beauty blender. So I am done with my blush. Now I will do my eyes, and as my transition color of my eyeshadow I will use this same My Glam lipstick. So let's do that. Next I will use my Lakme's Iconic Kajal for my smoky eye look. I am applying this kajal on my lid and then I will smudge it out. And for smudging my kajal, I will use this angled brush. In smoky eye look, you have to trust the process. Until you finish all your work, you can't see the result. So stay with me. So I want the black to be more intense. So I am applying it again. I am using the reddish brown in the lower lash line. Next I am using Lakme's ink liner. The next step is mascara and I am using Blue Heavens mascara. My one eye is done and I will do another eye off camera. For my brows I will only use this spoolie to comb and I will not do anything more. Next I will highlight my face and I am using this Inside Duo highlighter. And I am also using a little bit of it in my inner corners. And the last and final step is lipstick. I am using the same lipstick from My Glam. So this is my final look. So guys, this was my last minute Eid makeup look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, feel free to give this video a thumbs down. You can comment down below which video you wanna see the next, and I will be back really soon. Till then, you can enjoy my other contents on my Instagram, Tiyasha Mishra Official. I will be back really soon. Bye bye.